ano rin, syempre when you first watch material, any kind of work that you do, lalo na kung stand-up comedian ka, the first thing that comes to your mind is like, what could you do better? Yung first viewing ko of it when it was on Netflix na talaga was with my...
First yun, hindi mo na-review before passing it?
Nireview ko before, but it was like the editor's view, alam mo yun?
Hindi siya yung full na...
Tsaka pag may hindi ka gusto, may magagawa ka, di ba? Parang pwede mong ibahin yan, ganyan. Tapos, come yung in-air na sa Netflix, so meron ka agad akong parang right off the bat, like when I was watching with people na, like parang yung intro, sabi ko, ang tagal, putang ina. Ba't ko ba inisip na kailangan nilang makita naglalakad ako sa stage? Mga ganong bullshit.
Gina-judge mo yung sarili mo,
bro.
no?
At noon, pero nung time na before that, parang, maangas, makita nila kabago ako. Makita nila human ako bago ako dumating. Pero ngayon, parang nang walang nagre-react ako, parang, this is so stupid. Why did I do this?
Normal
parang
na
ganun. So, first, I've only seen it once.
Okay.
Tapos, weird eh. Then I feel like, parang kailangan ko mag-number 1 for it to say na parang ang weird kasi na
Yung
parang,
top in the Philippines, ganun,
parang,
number 1.
Parang ang hirap sabihin na, pare, ako yung number 3 dati for like 3 days.